Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses are for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new
Good morning and welcome to the this is the 4th day of Vlogmas. God, I cannot believe I have already 3 days of Vlogmas. But I woke up at 8 something. I'm still so tired and I cannot get used with this program, like vlogging every single day. And I was thinking to talk a little bit with you, to tell you the plan from today. So I need to go and do my nails because, I mean, look at this. It's so horror, and I think I'm never gonna do it on red again. I'm gonna choose something neutral. But anyway, I was thinking to open the advert calendars because it's still morning and I want to finish with this one as well. So I'm gonna start with the Mars one as always, and this is, we are in 4th June. Day 4. We have, it's just driving me crazy, this box. It's so annoying and it makes so much noise. We do have a bell today. They are pretty nice figurines. And this is so heavy. I like so much this thing because I didn't open it till now. And we're gonna check, which is this. Oh my god, I'm not gonna keep it like this because it's gonna fall. But it doesn't have a card inside. Oh, it does. And this is day 4. Lancers the method. Nourish moisturizer is a potent anti-aging lotion which hydrates and promises to reduce fine lines. Blah blah blah. Let's see. So yeah, it's something from Lancer. I've never used something from their products. And this is for wrinkles. It's like a skin plumber or something. Renewing and glowing and so on. Yeah. So this is a small version. I think I don't know if it's focusing or not because I cannot see myself in the camera. It doesn't have a flip display. Yeah, so this should improve wrinkles and creates a plumber skin and glowing skin and so on. We'll try it on to see if it's good or not. I don't have wrinkles, but I have expressions wrinkles, so let's see. Maybe improves that one as well. And last but not least, do you remember when I was in Bicester Village? Well, I bought something from there, a single item, and I thought I'm gonna do the unboxing with you. I didn't wear this item. I actually have it in the bag since I bought it because I said I'm gonna do it with you. And this is the moment. This is when I found the time to do it. I'm so happy about it because I wanted this for such a long time. And finally I bought it with a really great price. So it is about a bag. So it comes in this small bag. Okay, and here are you ready? Are you ready? And here we have it. It's the nail one from Chloe, and I wanted it for such a long time. And actually I wanted a nude color, the beige one, but I found this one in Bicester Village with 765, if I'm not wrong, and it was like, you never can find this kind of colors in sale. And I thought this should be mine. I was thinking like for 4 hours, I think, because I've seen it at 9 a.m. in the morning, and then I came back at 4 and I was thinking, should I buy it, should I not buy it? And then I said like, okay, this is mine. I really love a lot this ring handling here. I mean, it's so fancy and looks so posh, and as well is so sophisticated, which I like it. Goes mostly on the elegant looks, but it's not really my style to wear sports stuff, so I just love it. It comes with this one as well, but I would like to wear it in this way, and has a pocket in the back, And to be honest, I was surprised because it's quite large. I think this is the small version. I'm gonna take everything from the inside. I think this is the small version of the bag because I think there is another one bigger. And this is the inside, and it has the pocket in here as well. And this is it. I mean, it can fit a lot of stuff: the phone, the wallet, a lot of stuff, lipsticks and so on. And I like the fact that it's quite big. I mean, it doesn't look huge, but it fits a lot of stuff, so this is super important when you're looking for a bag. Actually, this is my first luxury bag, and I'm super excited, and it's gonna be priceless for me because it's my first one. And yeah, I really wanted to share this with you. I found it in a really good price. I mean, normally it's almost 1,300 pounds, and 765 is like bargain. I mean, it's almost half price. So yeah, here it is, the one that I bought from there, and I'm super excited about it, and I cannot wait to wear it. But it's gonna happen next days. Anyway, so as I told you, today we're gonna go to do my nails, and then I think I'm gonna, what time is it? It's 10:30. I'm gonna leave at 1 something, so I can go in the thrift store as well. And I think we're gonna do some shopping, grocery shoppings, because there is a Lidl near that area. And yeah, now I'm gonna start editing the VLOGMAS day 3 because I didn't do anything, and I need to do this one tonight as well. And I'll see you later. Okay, so I basically just got out from the bank, and I'm in a really hurry because I have a nail appointment, and it's gonna be at 3:35, something like this. So I don't know if I'm gonna be late or not. That's why I'm gonna leave you here, and we're gonna talk a little bit later. I'm finally out, and I finished my nails, and this is how they are looking like. They are nude again, and I chose this glitter in here to have like a little bit of Christmas spirit on them, because I didn't want anything again with red because it doesn't look so aesthetic when they are growing. And now we're heading to Lidl because I want to do some shopping, and I was thinking to take you with me because I think they have like also decorations for Christmas and so on, and maybe we can check something in there as well.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so wrapped up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new start. Let this mistletoe moment fuse together to Christmas hearts. Let this mistletoe moment give me everything I want. I'm not sure he even knows my name, but that we will remedy right here by the Christmas.
Okay, so I found an advert calendar in here as well, which is the luxury collection, and it's with candles. I know that because, hey, this one is cheap, and the price is $8.49. We were looking to buy a super cheap advert calendar. Well, this can be an option, and if you like candles as well. Okay, this one and these ones are kind of my favorite sweets from Lidl. I'm gonna take this one now. So I normally came here to buy food, and I thought we're gonna see some Christmas decoration, but I don't know. I mean, like, I remember they had a lot. Now it's nothing in here, just toys, and this is it. At least, I mean, I remember last year they had like
Christmas lights and also other accessories for the Christmas tree. And now everything is empty. I don't know if it was empty from the beginning or it's just empty because everything is sold out.
Okay, so I found in here some super cute leggings. But the thing is, they don't have sizes. They have just extra large and large. And this one as well is so pretty. Look at this one. And they have it as well like this. And like this. Let me check if I can film it from here. Yep. But I think the nicest one is this one with Santa.
Actually, I found something. And look at this. How cute they are. I need to buy a pair of slippers. Because, yeah, they are cute. I have no slippers for Christmas, like it's thematic. And I don't even know which one to choose. These ones as well are super cute. And there are these ones with Santa. And they are doing this noise as well. I don't know. I'm still so undecided. Oh, finally I found something for Christmas. And we have this one with a blanket, which is cute, and it's $9.99. Finally, half an hour later, I went for these ones. I think they are so Christmassy and super cute and make a nice little pictures. Okay, so I took almost everything besides some onion rings, which I'm still looking for them, but it's like Mission Impossible. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna buy this if I can find it, and I'm gonna go home because I need to edit this vlog. And I'll see you tomorrow evening